Hey, good evening. So that new announcement when it comes to new funding, just announced by Vice President Kamala Harris, will definitely help fill in the gaps when it comes to mental health services for our students here in our region. We reached out and we spoke with a dedicated social worker about what he sees day to day, and we also talked with the district about what they plan to do moving forward.
With two schools, I'm one social worker over 1,600 kids. It's a lot to keep up with the daily needs. There's always a crisis and there's always a concern that something is coming up.
Brian Burton is a social worker for Sycamore Creek Elementary School and Pine Hollow Middle School. He has experienced firsthand the growing need for student services, especially after the pandemic, with more referrals for mental health, therapists, housing, and food.
It makes me sad because I see it happening to our kids and our kids getting left behind daily.
Currently, Wake County has 128 social workers, 98 school psychologists, and 449 counselors. But according to NC Department of Public Instruction, this is not enough for 160,000 Wake County students.
We definitely need more, and we will continue to need more.
The national recommendation is one school counselor and one social worker per 250 students. To meet that recommendation, Wake County would have to hire about 190 more school counselors and more than 500 social workers.
The better the ratio, the more one-on-one and specific support that we can provide those students so that they can continue their pathway to success.
So what's the solution?
We need to support efforts to fund our student support staff so that we can make sure that both students and schools are healthy, safe places for students to be successful.
More money can help with recruitment efforts as the district partners with universities, creating a pipeline from graduate programs.
We have internships available for school counselors where they get to come in and learn the things that our counselors know, work side by side with our school counselors.
While the resolution may not be immediate and there are still barriers to overcome, Burton remains dedicated to his kids.
The best part for me is getting to see these kids continue and promote through grades and knowing that I made a positive impact with them.
And also, Burton encourages families and parents to volunteer in the schools and also stay in contact with teachers and counselors so that you can support the students in the ways that they need best to make sure that they are successful. And of course, we're going to continue to follow that new funding and see how that trickles down on the district level. In Raleigh, Bianca Holman, ABC 11 Eyewitness News.
Volunteering is a good challenge this time of year. Bianca, thank you.